Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple emails on your Gmail application. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Gmail application on your device, just go ahead and open it up. And once the application is opened, you might need to log in to your account if you haven't done so already. So use your credentials and log in to your Google account and you will be taken into your inbox. Now from your inbox page, if you wish to delete all of your emails, you can simply long press on any email and you will be able to choose emails individually. Now at the top section you will find the select all option. So just tap on it and it will select all of your emails. Once all of your email has been selected, tap on the delete button at the top section and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your emails. Just tap on the delete button and all of your emails will be deleted and they will be sent to the trash. In order to delete them from your trash as well, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on bin. Now from the bin page, you can follow the same step by long pressing on any email and then selecting all and deleting them. Once you delete all of your emails from the trash as well, everything you delete will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how you can delete multiple emails on the Gmail application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.